Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this Apple iPhone 11 Pro. This is a US version. It is 256 gigabyte. This is the space gray and it is unlocked to any carrier. Alright, so right here we have the refurbished Apple iPhone 11 Pro. This is the space gray color. It has 256 gigabyte of storage. It is unlocked to any network. So with this being refurbished, it is not brand new, it is used. So this one does have a little scratches on the side and the bottom, but it does not affect usage. They do have a money back guaranteed on all refurbished phones. So if you're looking for an iPhone, you can check this one out. This one does have some scratches on the side. I'm assuming it's because it might have been from the case. You do have a charging port at the bottom. You have your speakers at the bottom, your notch at the top. The screen actually itself has no scratches. It's in very good condition other than the body. The body does have some light wear scratches. You can see that the screen is very functional, no scratches whatsoever. And I'm going to show you that it does have 256 gigabytes. So we're just going to jump into the storage. I'm going to go tap into general. And then we'll tap in about. So we'll click on the about. And on the bottom, it will tell you it is 256 gigabytes, 227.81 has been already used. So the screen is really nice. It doesn't have any scratches, but on the back side, it's really nice as well. The camera has maybe a little bit of scratches on the sides, but overall, it's in good condition. If you're looking for a nice to use iPhone, I would go ahead and check this one out.